Okay, so we're doing a simple power set example. We're going to find the power set of the set that contains three numbers, the numbers 1, 2, and 3. Now, as a reminder, the power set of some set A, the definition of this is the set of all subsets of A. So one thing I want you to notice about this definition of power set is that it is a set. So power set is the set of all subsets of A. So to begin our answer, we're going to say this is a set, so we're going to make some big curly braces here that are going to contain the set that is our answer to this power set problem. Okay, so just to organize our thoughts, we're going to go in descending order of subset size. And by that I mean we're going to start with all subsets that are the biggest that can possibly be, which in this case is size 3. So the set 1, 2, 3 is actually a subset of the set 1, 2, 3 because we're not talking about proper subsets or strict subsets, we're just talking about any subset, and that includes the set that is equal to the original set. Okay, and that's the only possible subset of size 3, so we're done with the size 3 subsets. So let's move on in decreasing order to the subsets of size 2. So that would be like 1 and 2 together, 1 and 3 together, and 2 and 3 together. Now notice at this point we don't want to add, for example, 2, 1, because that is the same as 1, 2, because in sets, order doesn't matter. So 1, 2 is the same set as 2, 1. And you also can't have duplication in a set. So because these two are the same, having them in there like this would be duplication. Elements of a set, they're either in the set or they're not in the set. They can't be in the set more than once. That's just not a concept that exists for sets. So let's erase this. Okay, moving on. So these are all our subsets of size 2. And again, because order doesn't matter, I'm not doing them this way because that makes it right or wrong. It just helps me organize so I don't skip anything or miss anything as I'm answering the problem. So now we're going to do our subsets of size 1. So that would be like just the number 1 by itself, just the number 2 by itself, and just the number 3 by itself. And then lastly, we do have subsets of size 0, right? So that's the empty set. And that's a subset also of the set 1, 2, 3. And of course you can't have a set smaller than size 0, so that completes our power set problem.